I'm Michelle Benedicto, and you're watching Coffee with Collectiv. Hi, I'm Michelle Benedicto, and I'm a consulting team lead here at Collectiv. Fun fact about my mug is it represents something that I really love outside of work. I'm a big Disney fanatic, Pixar, Marvel. I'm based out of Orlando, Florida, so during the weekends we are hanging out in Magic Kingdom or Animal Kingdom or somewhere over there. So outside of work, I like to eat. I like to go to Disney. I like to eat, and I like to go to Disney. So sometimes I eat at Disney. So yeah, I love that. But like watching movies and, just sometimes want to be a couch potato. So. Fun fact about where I'm from, which is the Philippines, is that while I only know one dialect, which is Tagalog, the main one, there are actually 110 dialects. So I'm very excited and happy that I know one of them. But yes, there are another 109 that I do not know how to speak. So prior to Collectiv, I actually started my career in nursing. I was a pediatric nurse for an inpatient hospital doing taking care of NICU step-down patients and med-surg patients. So by way of that, I went into informatics, analytics, and then leadership and project management and consulting. So something awe-inspiring that I've experienced in my life is just seeing how far my parents have come in their lives. So both of my parents grew up very poor in the Philippines, and they just had the drive and the motivation to have a better life than what they experienced. And so they immigrated to the States. My dad was in the military, and I just, it's amazing to see how far he came and to be able to bring, his family here, and for all of us to be able to succeed in our own lives. Like, that's where I get my motivation and drive from. And my mom, the same, made a career for herself as well. And so being able to see the success that they have and made for themselves, to be able to provide for their family, the beautiful life that we had growing up, is just amazing to see. So when I hear explorer, I just think immediately of traveling the world. When I'm not vacationing in Disney World, I really do love to go to other countries and just see their culture and experience the differences across the world. So that's really what I think about. And my favorite explorer is my mom, who likes to travel every other month. She cruises around the world, and I'm so jealous that she gets to do that, but I want to be able to do that same thing that she does one day. So very exciting. So I am very passionate about trying new things, whether it's a new process at work, whether it's a new board game, whether it's a new activity, whether it's new food. I just love to experience new things, and I'm always up for a challenge.